This is a cool little knife that I got back a while ago, a couple months ago, and I always hated this handle because it's just weird. Like, my two fingers don't want to sit in there, those two want to sit there, so let's change that. Now, I know what you're saying to yourself now, Matt, you just burned the ever-loving crap out of it. Well, joke's on you. I actually kind of like this texture, and the way it looks now, that's a cool little knife right there. She's sharp, she's just being a pain in the butt.